Good afternoon, guys. Happy weekend. Hope everybody's having a good weekend so far. All right, let's kind of get into the news here. Not a financial advisor, not financial advice. Make sure you guys do your research out there, okay? Also, check out the link down below for L Bank, the channel sponsor. Do your leverage trading, spot trading, copy trading down there. No KYC required. Get your Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, XLM, Cardano, Caspa, Jasmy, whatever it is. You can get it there. Check that out. As I said, links down below for that. And also, guys, just so that you guys know, we have a members side. It's $4.99 a month. We will be releasing another video on the members side for members only today, and another one tomorrow. So for the members, you guys know, look out for that. If you wanna be in on those, guys, it's micro cap, low cap gems. We believe we'll have great ROI. So if you want to be a part of that, definitely check out the members side. And also, you'll have exclusive access to me to be able to do one-on-ones, me to look at your portfolio, things like that as well. So check that out down below. And if you have iOS and you want to join, there'll be a link down below for that, because YouTube doesn't have the ability to the join button yet on iOS. So they provided me with a link that will be down below if you're on iOS that will enable you to join. Anyways, let's get into the market here. NIR's pumping 3% today so far. Pretty good, considering everything else. Caspa's pretty much even on the day. Guys, Quant is $98. That is a fantastic DCA opportunity. Bitcoin's 28.5. Sorry, I'm trying to hold in a cough here. Dion down 10%. Good good DCA there, excuse me. XLM pumping 5%. Probably leading up because they said they have a big announcement in about 4 days from now. So we'll see if that's a nothing burger or what's going on with that. Jasmy sideways on the day. So my DCAs for the day, you guys, are Dion, SEI Network, and I'd have to go with Chainlink again today. Those would be my DCAs for the day. Speaking of SEI Network, here we go. We got excited to announce our newest liquidity alliance with DV Chain. Together, elevating the SEI user experiences with robust liquidity, unparalleled OTC services, and unwavering support for our dedicated protocol teams, harnessing synergy for a seamless trading environment. So big partnership for SEI Network here, guys. The bullish news just keeps pouring out for SEI. They had also announced last week that, holding in a cough again, that they had partnered with Anchor as well. So they're making moves, guys. Keep an eye on SEI. Add it to your watch list. Definitely. Caspa below 4 cents is not bad. I'm gonna look a gift horse in the mouth. I'm gonna DCA some more. Ultimately, it doesn't really matter too much. 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents. Who cares when it's worth $5? Exactly. You're just splitting hairs. DCA is the way. Is the Hooks sidechain legit? The two heavyweights in XRPL have confirmed this is the path forward for XRP development, and only the start. David Schwartz at the Apex Developer Conference stated new features and upgrades will happen on adjacent layer 1s and side chains. So we will have some upgrades. Richard Holland, creator of the XRP Toast wallet, XRPL Labs dev, Hooks mastermind, and longtime XRP titan, stated, personally, I favor evolving the ecosystem into a cluster of XRPL protocol chains interconnected by a non-custodial value exchange protocol such as B2M. This allows exciting new features to be production tested in a fast lane rather than in a conservative lane, i.e. mainnet. Hook's sidechain is just the first of many adjacent layer 1s or sidechains that will roll out. There's nothing to fear here. It's not a scam. This is how building with XRPL will likely look for the foreseeable future. So, super bullish news, guys. Nothing to worry about on the XRPL. Evolution is accepted and appropriate. We love it. It's bullish. Right here. Now, I wanted to touch on a tweet that I was reading here, or a post, sorry, now that it's not Twitter anymore. So this person is just talking about, being here to, being in the space to support projects and wanting to see these projects succeed, and that's why they're here, and you shouldn't be here for the money and blah, blah. Guys, anyone, I don't care, anyone who tells you they're in a project to support the project and they're not into it for the money is full of crap. Okay, we are all here at the end of the day to make a return on our investment. Anyone who tells you otherwise to get you to buy or hold something is lying, and they're taking their profits while you buy more. Just keep that in mind. Don't be manipulated so easily in that aspect, right? We're here to make money. You might like a project. You might want the project to succeed. You might love the project. At the end of the day, you still want your money. So who is Fortress Trust? We're going to get into that a little bit, but to say this acquirement by Ripple is extremely advantageous for them as a company is a massive understatement. This is such a big acquisition, you guys, for Ripple. We just read an article about it last night, I believe, in the live stream, so go back and check that out. XRP so far, 2023 so far for Ripple. January 30th, Montenegro Central Bank partners with Ripple. January to March, Ripple acquires stake in Bitstamp. May, Ripple acquires Medico. June, Ripple acquires Singapore payments license. July, Ripple gets a mostly favorable summary judgment. July, Ripple applies for FCA and UK crypto license. September, Ripple acquires Fortress Trust. Feel free to add anything I've missed. This has been a fantastic year so far for Ripple as a company. Massive moves. So anybody who's like, oh, but the price of XRP is not going up, blah, blah, blah. Guys, it will, in my opinion, right? The moves, Ripple is on pace to become one of the largest, most successful companies on the planet at this pace, right? So, Coin Bureau says, so the SEC still thinks that after 2 years, the judge inappropriately interpreted the Howey test. How on earth can they expect anyone else to interpret it then? So the SEC has filed with the courts to appeal the recent ruling in its case against Ripple. The judge ruled that secondary sales of XRP were not securities, nor was XRP itself. The regulator is essentially arguing that the Howey test was inappropriately interpreted by the judge. So that goes hand in hand with this next thing I'm going to read, and that is the SEC is now playing victim. SEC accuses Ripple of slowing the lawsuit to keep selling XRP. So, first of all, how do you think the judge is going to take this personally? How do you think she's going to take it? They're basically telling the judge that she didn't know, she inappropriately evaluated the Howey test, and that they're right and she's wrong, even though she's been essentially going over it for 2 years. I don't think she's going to take it very well. Secondly, SEC accuses Ripple of slowing the lawsuit to keep selling XRP. Who are they selling it to? Ripple's not selling XRP to retail investors. That's what they're trying to stop here, is the sales on secondary markets, right? That's what's got the SEC so upset, is all these exchanges picked it back up and started selling XRP again. Ripple's not selling XRP to exchanges. So that whole accusation is completely inaccurate. Who are they selling it to? They're not selling XRP. They haven't sold XRP to exchanges or any other place that that is selling it on a secondary market since, I believe, 2019. So what the hell are they talking about here, right? They don't even know what they're talking about. That's the thing. It's unbelievable, these guys. I'm not going to get into a rant though. Just this one's just kind of a reminder, you guys. Jasmine Q4 lockup and supply shock is imminent. It is coming, so make sure you are super bullish on that. That is your bullish shot of bullishness. All right, so you today, Ripple unveils new mega deal. Okay, San Francisco-based blockchain firm Ripple has announced an agreement to acquire Fortress Trust, the financial institution that offers Web3 financial, regulatory, and technological infrastructure. The acquisition will also expand Ripple's portfolio of regulatory licenses, since Fortress Trust holds a Nevada trust license. This adds to Ripple's existing set of regulatory approvals, which span multiple jurisdictions, including in the U.S. as well as Singapore. The major deal is subject to due diligence and regulatory approvals. Ripple's early bet. It is worth noting that Ripple became a majority investor in Fortress Blockchain Technologies, the parent company of Fortress Trust, in 2022. Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, indicated that as an early investor in Fortress Trust, they had become familiar with its team and business model. He added that the acquisition is aimed at accelerating Ripple's business in key areas of crypto infrastructure. Fortress Trust provides a robust financial infrastructure and digital companies specializing in IRA services, asset custody, and payment processing. They also handle compliance issues like KYC and AML, say that 3 times fast, offer crypto liquidity, and ensure data and asset security. An acquisition spree. Earlier this year, Ripple acquired Swiss bank crypto custody provider Medico for $250 million to expand its capabilities in tokenized asset custody, insurance, and settlement. The major acquisitions are part of Ripple's strategy to diversify revenue streams and extend its global presence beyond the U.S. market. Alex Dovbinia, aka Alex Morris, is a cryptocurrency expert, trader, and journalist with extensive experience of covering everything related to burgeoning industry. From price analysis to blockchain disruption, Alex authored more than 1,000 stories for You Today, CryptoComs, and other fintech media outlets. He particularly interested in the regulatory trends around the globe that are shaping the future of digital assets. Can be contacted at, and then they give his email address. So that is the big news there for Ripple, you guys, acquiring another massive company, Fortress Trust, guys. Ripple, like I said earlier, it's going to be one of the biggest companies in the world by the time they're done. This is, if you're, I wish I was a accredited investor, because I would be buying Ripple stock like crazy if it was me personally. So yeah, guys, that is the news for this afternoon. Like I said, we will have a members-only video being dropped later today and another one tomorrow. So look out for those gem videos. And yeah, make sure you smash the like, smash the subscribe, you guys. Thank you so much for the support. And I will see you guys in the next one.